Hey guys, Jorge again with another quick photo edit for you guys to check out. So I recently did family photos and I think a lot of you can relate. The photo location was inside, terrible lighting, ugly color cast, so let's use a toolkit to figure this one out. So this was taken with an on-camera flash, so I'm going to use the OCF base layer right here. Select that, and as I always say, I like to kind of scroll through the preset color temperatures to see if anything looks good. Usually I end up falling on the precision color temperature adjustment. And we can scroll through here and we can see that even on the lowest blue setting, it's still kind of orange. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to manually adjust the color temperature even more. And you can see as I get down to the 2000 levels, it really kind of starts to eliminate that orange color cast. So what I like to do here is I like to actually click on the number and use the up and down on my keypad to actually adjust, to make those adjustments. So next we're going to do the tint adjustment. Here, magenta or base. I'm going to stick it with the base. Yeah, it looks like the tint is pretty on point. Next is going to be the exposure. I'm looking at a little bit brighter here. I'm going to lock in exposure. One white block right there. Next is the highlights. Let's just scroll through and take a peek at what these all look like. I think I'm going to tone them down a bit. Okay, lock that in. Now same thing with the shadows. Let's see what's going on with the shadows here. Obviously that's a little bit too dark. I'm going to brighten them up just a little bit. I'll probably lock it in at shadow 1. All right, sharpness, as I like to do with people in the frame, sharpness 1, noise reduction 1. And then let's check out and see what optimized lens does. Quick. Right. Enhance color. That looks really nice. Check out the vignette. Here. Optimized lens almost kind of brightens up the edges just too much. Then let's throw it down here to a subject enhancer. See what that gives us. Oh, I actually do like that a lot. So the subject enhancer masks the subject, masks the background, applies preset settings on both. I'm going to leave it here. Let's see what the white adjustments. Cool it down just a little bit more. Okay, maybe that's a little bit too much. Let's bring it up. It looks like around this 2500 level is going to be ours. Check out the before and after. Look at that. Wow, how many of you guys can relate to that before photo? It's like every single photo you take. Now I'm just going to tweak the subject settings just a little bit because it looks like they're popping off of the canvas just a little bit too much. So I'm going to bring that mask opacity down just a smidge. Check that out. Look at that before and after. That's prime time. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take all of these settings, even the masking settings, and we're going to copy them. What we do is we just go right to the next photo. We're just going to hit paste. If you have the AI settings on or anything in the AI toolbox, it may take a little while, but check that out. How fulfilling is that just to see that copy paste before after in real time? That's probably one of my favorite parts of this workflow, utilizing that copy paste function. It's kind of fulfilling just to see that, running through all your photos and then just doing copy paste, and seeing what they come up with. So I just had to do a little bit of a tint adjustment on that one, a little bit too green. Which is what you're going to do when you do use the copy paste workflow, is each photo may have just a tiny bit of adjustments. So don't be afraid of that. It is what it is. Lighting's not perfect. Lighting's not going to be the same thing. All right, so this is the third one. Check that out. I mean, this looks great. All right, guys, appreciate you. Thank you. Bye.